Looks like the features Google long kept for Pixel phones only are making their way for Galaxy S26 series, and it's a bad day for scammers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. The Android Authority team has found code hidden away in the latest version of the Google Phone app that mentions some new smartphone model numbers that match up with the Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Plus, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. There were some hints for Sharpie as well, which is Google's codename for scam detection. Join the dots, and it seems as though the feature will be appearing on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. But it's still not clear whether Samsung phones will make Google version the default, as they have their own Samsung scam detection tech. Scam detection uses AI to look for patterns that match up with known scams and warns you if someone might be trying to trick you. It works across phone calls and text messages, with everything running on your phone and nothing sent back to Google. Once you enable it, it'll monitor calls and text messages with people who aren't already saved in your contacts, so your loved ones won't be labeled as a scam threat. The feature is available on the Google Pixel 6 and later in the US, and on the Pixel 9 and later in Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, and the UK. Although Google doesn't promise a 100% success rate with scam detection, but it just might prevent you from losing your money or personal data. This new code adds to the long list of rumors and leaks that have appeared for the Galaxy S26 so far. It's left to see how of that is true when the phones drop next month. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. As the buzz around Apple's iPhone 17 begins to settle, Samsung is quietly stealing back the spotlight with leaked blueprints of its new flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. If these early glimpses are anything to go by, the next-gen Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most refined and powerful device yet. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to have a sleeker, smoother design with noticeably rounded corners, slim bezels, and a flat 6.9-inch display that promises a more immersive feel. It's a subtle but striking evolution, making the S26 Ultra look less like a phone and more like a perfectly crafted gadget from the future. On its back, Samsung's given the camera layout a light but noticeable change. Like, instead of the familiar old vertical setup, now 3 sensors sit within a pill-shaped model with a 4th lens placed just beside it, hinting at both a stylistic change and maybe some internal rearrangements for performance gains. The S26 Ultra is expected to pack Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, or Samsung's own Exynos 2600 in certain regions. Battery life and charging get a serious boost too, with a 5000 mAh battery and blazing 60-watt wired charging support. And if we talk about cameras, fans can look forward to a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom, and the 5-time telephoto lens carried over from the S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is much likely to be here in the early 2026. And if these leaks are true, Samsung may be ready to set a new gold standard. And that's why we're already counting down the days. Are you waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. Hey GadInsider squad! Samsung's Galaxy S26 Edge just got a massive leak, and it's packing a 4400 mAh battery that'll keep you going all day. Plus, it's slimmer and more powerful than ever. Want the full scoop? Let's jump in. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge got some flack for its 3900 mAh battery that struggled to last a full day. The Galaxy S26 Edge is here to fix that. According to a tipster, the S26 Edge will rock a 4400 mAh battery, up from an earlier rumored 4200 mAh. That's a huge jump, promising longer usage for gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your feed. And get this, Samsung's making it happen in a slimmer design than the S25 Edge's 5.8mm frame. How? New battery tech, and we're hyped. So how do you cram a bigger battery into a thinner phone? Samsung's reportedly using cutting-edge silicon carbon battery tech, a major upgrade over the lithium-ion cells in the S25 Edge. This means more power, less bulk, and potentially better efficiency. But that's not all. The S26 Edge is also stepping up its camera game with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens leaving the S25 Edge's 12-megapixel shooter in the dust. And for our European friends, the S26 Edge is expected to pack Samsung's in-house Exynos 2600 SoC, built on a 2nm process for a smoother, more advanced experience. Why should you care? The Galaxy S26 Edge is shaping up to be a beast. That 4400 mAh battery could mean all-day power, even with heavy use. Pair that with the Exynos 2600's efficiency in Europe, or possibly Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 elsewhere, and a sharper ultra-wide camera, and Samsung's addressing every major complaint about the S25 Edge. Plus, that slimmer profile makes it a stunner. With the launch expected in January or February 2026, the S26 Edge is already stealing the spotlight. Now there's still some mystery. Will the S26 Edge keep the 45-watt charging speed, or could it match the S26 Ultra's rumored 60-watt? And how much will that Exynos 2600 boost performance? We're waiting for more leaks to spill the tea. For now, the S26 Edge is looking like a major upgrade, blending style, power, and stamina in a way Samsung fans will love. That's the latest from GadInsider. Are you excited for the Galaxy S26 Edge's bigger battery and sleek design? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Get ready, Samsung fans! The One UI 8.5 is coming, and it's packed with game-changing upgrades that can make your Galaxy phone smarter, faster, and way more user-friendly. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The update based on Android 16 isn't official yet. The leaks are already giving us a peek at what's in store for 2026. Among biggest rumored features is the priority notifications. Say goodbye to drowning in alerts, because One UI 8.5 may let you prioritize notifications by app, stacking the most important ones at the top so you never miss a critical message or all that important meme for your BFF. Leaked code also hints at customizable camera presets for ISO, shutter speed, exposure, and more. Switch settings in a snap and capture your masterpiece without dealing around in menus. With photo cleanup, Samsung is making AI-powered editing even easier. The object eraser is getting integrated into the generative edit workflow in the Gallery app, so you can remove unwanted objects from photos in just a few taps. And if you hate automatic social media videos eating up your data, One UI 8.5 might solve that by only loading videos when you tap them, keeping your data plan intact without killing video quality. The Edge panel gets a major upgrade too. For the first time, it could work in landscape mode, giving you instant access to shortcuts whether you're scrolling Instagram or gaming. The Galaxy S26 series is likely to be the first in line for One UI 8.5, with a beta program possibly launching before the end of the year. If these leaks are true, One UI 8.5 could be one of the most user-friendly upgrades in years. It's faster, smarter, and designed to make your Galaxy experience smoother than ever. Do you think the upgrade's useful? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.